Okay, the Hammerhead Corvette from Star Wars. Apparently my small video gone viral and I have 600 or 600,000 views and it's growing, so I decided, as I promised, to shoot a full video and explain how I printed, how much does it cost, quality issues and other stuff, and of course what's wrong with these orange pins. This ship is one of my favorite from Star Wars, and obviously everybody remember that moment in a film when this Hammerhead Corvette, pushed a destroyer, Star Destroyer, into another one, and that's why maybe this ship became so popular. This model is huge, so obviously I printed it in parts on my 3 different printers, but what I want to say is that artist who did the model actually is a genius, because it's super detailed, take into account technology what is available today for FDM printing, right? To print this model I used all my printers. At the moment it was Creality K2 Plus, H2D from Bambu Lab, X1 Carbon also from Bambu Lab, and it took me around week time to print it all. And from the profile point of view, I used a standard profile, 0.2 millimeters layer height with the standard support. Maybe somewhere I reduced it and did manual support to save some time and filament, but in general I printed with the standard settings, and you can see that quality is pretty good. Okay guys, many of you ask how much does it cost. Okay, let's do a simple math. So this model cost me around 30 bucks. And I spent around 4 kg or 3 kg on this model, together with stands, together with failures, together with support and all other stuff. And you can buy 1 kg of PLA made from, I don't know, 10 bucks if you are buying a huge size, or maybe some Black Friday, something like that, right? But average price is like 17-20 bucks. So let's say I spent 20 bucks, so it's another 60 plus initial 30 plus several failures. So this guy maybe most probably cost me around 100 bucks. Now the orange pins, right? The main feature of my short video. So actually it's really genius. So you don't need a glue. This one is symmetrical stuff, 2 small pins from one side, 2 another small pins from other sides, and small adjustments on ends of each pins. So you are inserting it into the one hole, one part of the model, and pressing with another, and it stick together, right? And you can disassemble it if you need, but it's very sturdy. And I printed it from PETG just to add some flexibility a little bit to this parts and sturdiness, because this is PLA and it can break very easy, and PETG is much stronger. So I use this one plus a color so I can see all connections, and you like it so much. Also, you remember my another video, I upgraded this engines, so I painted in Bambu Studio. It's in different colors, and I use some small lights. Also I exported as a mesh object and increase the size of the hole, so it allowed me to use my small LED lights, and I'm gonna to continue because it's a lot of options how to improve this ship. In overall, what I can say, this print is the best print at the moment. From the size point of view, quality point of view, it was super interesting to wait, all these hours, days of printing to be able to assemble it in the end. And maybe even I'm gonna to paint it, because one of you helping me with understanding what I need to airbrush, how it works and stuff. I'm not sure I'm ready for it yet, but at least I'm thinking in this direction, and thank you for your help a lot. For the next steps, I'm already printing another huge ship, and this is a Razor Crest, right, from a Star Wars, and it's even bigger. So guys, I don't have a lot of space to store all these models, and it's mostly for you. Unfortunately, I don't have friends who can, like come by and enjoy these models. So it's for me, for my son, and for you guys. So I'm gonna to upload this model to eBay and to try to sell it. So I will have some resources back, so I will be able to print much more interesting stuff in future. Just one model because I have it, so if you want, a link in the description. And in general, if you want to follow what will be as my next project and maybe a painting project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your questions. And by the way, I have a small Discord server. It's all new for me, so I don't know how it works for sure, but we can discuss some stuff. If you have questions, I can help. I will try to help. And yeah, thank you for your views, likes, comments, and in general attention to my work.